This year a Chinese sportswear company, Peak Sport, launched its first pair of 3D printed sneakers. The shoes are called Future, and not only are they the first 3D printed shoes for the company, but they are the first 3D printed running shoes to hit the Chinese market. The shoes were unveiled at a launch event in Beijing and caught the attention of many companies, including the head of China Space Foundation's publicity department. Peak Sport's general manager was also present at the time of the launch. He spoke out saying that the Future sneakers are the newest achievement brought by Peak Sport's innovative technology. Their goal is to make Peak Sport the most international, professional and innovative sports brand in China. The 3D printed shoes are visually similar to Peak Sport's Yuepao 5-cushioned sneakers. With the help of 3D printing technology, the shoes have a lighter and more flexible midsole. The shoes were made using selective laser sintering, SLS, 3D printers and a thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, powder material to provide flexibility and breathability. The midsole is also notable for its lattice-like structure, which offers cushioned support to the wearer. Peak Sport has 4 centers in China and 1 in the United States. The company looking into 3D printing in 2013, and even once made a pair for NBA player Dwight Howard. They plan to utilize the technology just like 3shoes.com, Adidas, New Balance, and Nike, all of which also use 3D printing technology.